How to turn on VoLTE on your Android device. What is up everybody? In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily turn on the VoLTE on your mobile device. First thing first, you want to go to your settings. From your settings menu, you just have to find your connection settings. So let me just go back here and then find connections. From your connection settings, you can just go to SIM manager or you can find more connection settings. So you should find something similar to mobile networks and then head over there. Now, as you can see here, you'll find this setting called VoLTE calls for SIM1, SIM2, and allow 2G service for SIM1 and SIM2. I have two SIM cards on my device. So what I can do is network mode on SIM1, I can just set this as 5G prepared, and then click on OK, preferred. So what I can do now is turn on this VoLTE calls for SIM1 and SIM2. Let's say if I just turn off for SIM2, if I swipe down from the notification panel, I'm not able to see the VoLTE mode, but if I just turn it on, it should be enabled without any problem for both of your SIM cards. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Hit the like button down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.